Hello everyone. Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux on Oracle VirtualBox. Step by step. This tutorial is beginner friendly. No prior Linux experience is required. By the end of this video, you will have Kali Linux running smoothly inside VirtualBox on your Windows system. Let's get started. First, make sure you have two things ready. Number 1. Oracle VirtualBox installed on your computer. Number 2. A stable internet connection. If VirtualBox is not installed, I recommend installing it first. You can watch my previous video for that. Now, open any web browser on your computer. Click on the address bar. Type Kali Linux download. Then press enter. Open the official Kali Linux website. Once the website loads, you will see multiple download options. As we want to download the ISO file, click the installer images. The image is available for x86, 64 and ARM processors-based computers. We would go for x86 or 64 option, so click on the arrow sign to start downloading the ISO file. The file size is large, so this may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the location to make it sure it is available. Now, let's move to VirtualBox. Open Oracle VirtualBox. On the main screen, click on New. A new window will open. In the name field, type Kali Linux. VirtualBox will automatically detect the operating system. To load the ISO image, click on the arrow next to ISO image text box. Click Other from the drop-down list and browse for the image file. Click Finish. If you want to adjust RAM or disk size, etc., watch this video on how to do that. Your Kali Linux virtual machine is now created. Now, click the green arrow to start the machine. The Kali Linux installer will begin loading. On the boot screen, select Graphical Install. Press Enter. To view the installation in full screen mode, go to View menu and select Full Screen. Now, choose your language. Select your preferred language. Then click Continue. Choose your location. Select your keyboard layout. Kali Linux will now load the installer components. This may take a few moments. For hostname, you can type Kali or leave it as default. If asked for domain name, you can leave it blank if your computer is not part of domain. Now, create a user account. Enter your full name. Enter a username. Set a password. Right now I am entering a simple password, but for real use, make sure the password is strong. Confirm the password. On the clock option, select your time zone. Now, you will see disk partition options. Select Guided, use entire disk. Select the virtual disk. Choose all files in one partition. This option is best for beginners. Review the changes. Select Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select Yes. Kali Linux will now begin installing. This process may take several minutes. Now select the desktop environment. I am selecting XFCE, which is the default. And then click Continue. Please be patient. Meanwhile, if you want to get out of the full screen mode, move your cursor to the bottom of the screen and this minimize icon. Then you will be asked to install the GRUB bootloader. Select Yes. Choose the virtual disk. Usually it is SDA. After this, the installation will finish. You will see a message that installation is complete. The virtual machine will restart. Now, you will see the Kali Linux login screen. Select the first option. Enter your username. Enter your password. Click Login. Congratulations! Kali Linux is now successfully installed on VirtualBox. You can now explore Kali Linux tools, learn ethical hacking, and practice cybersecurity skills in a safe environment. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical tech tutorials.